1926.406 Specific Purpose Equipment and Installation. 1926.406 Cranes and Hoists. This paragraph applies to the installation of electric equipment and wiring used in connection with cranes, monorail hoists, and all runways. 1926.406 1. Disconnecting means. 1926.406 1. Runway conductor disconnecting means. A readily accessible disconnecting means shall be provided between the runway contact conductors and the power supply. 1926.406 1. 2. Disconnecting means for cranes and monorail hoists. A disconnecting means, capable of being locked in the open position, shall be provided in the leads from the runway contact conductors or other power supply on any crane or monorail hoist. 1926.406 1. 2. If this additional disconnecting means is not readily accessible from the crane or monorail hoist operating station, means shall be provided at the operating station to open the power circuit to all motors of the crane or monorail hoist. 1926.406 1. 2. The additional disconnect may be omitted if a monorail hoist or hand-propelled crane bridge installation meets all of the following. 1926.406 1. 2. 1 through 1926.406 1. 2. 3. The unit is floor controlled. The unit is within view of the power supply disconnecting means, and no fixed work platform has been provided for servicing the unit. 1926.406 2. Control. A limit switch or other device shall be provided to prevent the load block from passing the safe upper limit of travel of any hoisting mechanism. 1926.406 3. Clearance. The dimension of the working space and the direction of access to live parts which may require examination, adjustment, servicing, or maintenance while alive shall be a minimum of 2 feet 6 inches, 762 millimeters. Where controls are enclosed in cabinets, the doors shall open at least 90 degrees or be removable, or the installation shall provide equivalent access. 1926.406 4. Grounding. All exposed metal parts of cranes, monorail hoists, and accessories including pendant controls shall be metallically joined together into a continuous electrical conductor so that the entire crane or hoist will be grounded in accordance with 1926.404 F. Moving parts, other than removable accessories or attachments, having metal-to-metal bearing surfaces shall be considered to be electrically connected to each other through the bearing surfaces for grounding purposes. The trolley frame and bridge frame shall be considered as electrically grounded through the bridge and trolley wheels and its respective tracks unless conditions such as paint or other insulating materials prevent reliable metal-to-metal contact. In this case, a separate bonding conductor shall be provided. 1926.406 B. Elevators, escalators, and moving walks. 1926.406 B. 1. Disconnecting means. Elevators, escalators, and moving walks shall have a single means for disconnecting all ungrounded main power supply conductors for each unit. 1926.406 B. 2. Control panels. If control panels are not located in the same space as the drive machine, they shall be located in cabinets with doors or panels capable of being locked closed. 1926.406 C. Electric welders disconnecting means. 1926.406 C. 1. Motor generator, AC transformer, and DC rectifier arc welders. A disconnecting means shall be provided in the supply circuit for each motor generator arc welder, and for each AC transformer and DC rectifier arc welder which is not equipped with a disconnect mounted as an integral part of the welder. 1926.406 C. 2. Resistance welders. A switch or circuit breaker shall be provided by which each resistance welder and its control equipment can be isolated from the supply circuit. The ampere rating of this disconnecting means shall not be less than the supply conductor ampacity. 1926.406 D. X-ray equipment. 1926.406 D. 1. Disconnecting means. 1926.406 D. 1. General. A disconnecting means shall be provided in the supply circuit. The disconnecting means shall be operable from a location readily accessible from the X-ray control. For equipment connected to a 120-volt branch circuit of 30 amperes or less, a grounding type attachment plug cap and receptacle of proper rating may serve as a disconnecting means. 1926.406 D1 2. More than one piece of equipment. If more than one piece of equipment is operated from the same high-voltage circuit, each piece or each group of equipment as a unit shall be provided with a high-voltage switch, or equivalent disconnecting means. This disconnecting means shall be constructed, enclosed, or located so as to avoid contact by employees with its live parts. 1926.406 D2. Control radiographic and fluoroscopic types. Radiographic and fluoroscopic type equipment shall be effectively enclosed or shall have interlocks that de-energize the equipment automatically to prevent ready access to live current carrying parts.